Hi YouTube, just wanted to make a quick video on something I've done this time after having to replace this lower arm assembly in a Frigidaire dishwasher. So what happens is this collar down here, if it works its way loose just the slightest little bit, this overall assembly gets wobbly, and this spinner that has water that comes out here and here, as it turns around, it washes your lower dishes. Anyways, it falls on this heating element, and then when your heating element comes on during the drying cycle, it ends up warping this plastic, pulling it away from the metal. So it's a bad design, because if this collar is not perfectly in the front or back, it doesn't keep this disc elevated off the coil, and it starts to warp it. And this is my third one I've had to replace on this crappy dishwasher. So what I've done is I've ordered a brand new blue disc, and I've coated the entire bottom of it with JB Weld. Just get you some regular JB Weld. It's good to 450, 500F, and go all around. Coat it anywhere the plastic meets the metal, even the little pinch points here where that holds the plastic to the metal frame. And I did it on the sides too. That seems to be where it delaminates the easiest. All you gotta do is keep these two little ports here and here free. That's where the water comes out. Don't do it while it's on this lower arm. Do it when you first get the disc out of the package. Let it cure a couple of days, pop it on, and it should help if you can't frequently monitor this guy being perfectly snapped in the front or the back. But then as you're loading your dishes and you're about to start a wash, make sure this thing is perfectly centered and tight, and that your disc is off the metal coil here. Gonna have to do that with this dishwasher type because it's a really bad design. I hope this helps. Maybe it'll save you 20 bucks once a year. $4 or $5 worth of JB Weld should keep the heat out, at least keep it all together, keep it from becoming delaminated. Thanks, hope this helps.